everyone. In this video we will be talking about our first code in JavaScript. As there are many compilers for JavaScript and you can use any one of those you want to. I will definitely make sure this video won't pressurize you to use any particular one. There are lots of options for offline as well as online compiler for JavaScript. And here are some offline compiler like Visual Code, Sublime Text, Atom IDE, and some online compilers like CodePen, JSBin, and lot more. But we are pro with the extra pro, so we will use console. Just kidding. Actually, JavaScript is a browser-friendly language, so you can use in the browser using console. For using console, you just need to go to your Chrome browser, do right click on any free space, and you can see inspect at the last, and from there you can go to the console. You can set your consoles from the three dot at the rightmost corner given here. There is given four options. The first one is the full screen mode. The second one is the left part from the Chrome. Third one is the lower part given here. And the fourth one will give you the right part. I will stay with the right part. In my console, this is a message showing. You may not getting this message. So if you are getting, then click on the not button and here we go. As we have different type of syntaxes for different type of languages for printing out the things. Like in C we use printf, in C++ we use cout, in Java we use system.out.println, and in Python we use print. So here in JavaScript we will use console.log for printing the things. Now in console log, under double quotation mark, or you can take single quotation too, I'm writing here hello world. Under any double quotation or single quotation, what you have written is gonna print as it is. And make sure that you will put the semicolon in each and every line at the last. And now by pressing enter, you can see the hello world printed out. Now let's talk about the hello world printing into another lines. Like if I write here console.log hello, and if I enter here, it suddenly got entered and the hello printed over here. But I want that I could able to write hello as well as world in one go. But here is a problem. If I enter, then it will suddenly print out the things. But I want to go in the next line for writing another line of code. So what I can do, I just press shift plus enter. So here I am going to again write console.log, and under this in the double quote I am writing hello and closing the syntax. And now I am pressing shift plus enter, and I am able to write in the next line console.log and here world with the semicolon. And when I hit enter, it shows hello world in two lines. Now practice console.log by your intro. Like I am here writing console.log, and in this I am Shachi. If I just enter, then it just print I am Sachi, and again I am writing here console.log I am Shachi. And pressing shift plus enter. Again writing here console.log in double quotes, I like burger. What you like you can write here. Again I am writing here console.log in double quotes. I am writing here I like pastries. And closing the syntax with semicolon and pressing here enter, I get I am Sachi, I like burger, I like pastries in 3 lines in one go. So if I want to clear all these things, then I will write here a function named clear. Using clear with open and close bracket and ending with this semicolon, you can clear all these things what is written over here. Congratulations, your first lecture ended here, and I will meet you in the next video. Happy coding!
Don't you think we're done?